Now they have a really nice feel to them. Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about an ARROWMAX toolset. This one here is the AM-199447, and this is a 12-piece toolset, and it's really aimed at the 1/10 off-road guys. So let's have a look. Let's open it up. So I've got a beautiful case here with the purple and orange, being a purple toolkit. Now they have a really nice feel to them and a really nice knurling, and the 1/10 off-road guys really like this, and it is the most budget friendly in the range, the purple tools, but they still get all the quality and the great feel and features of every ARROWMAX handpiece. So we'll start off with the big Reamer here, and we've got this one goes up to 16 mil, so that's super sharp, and that will go up to 16 mil. So we'll do your wing holes and your body mount holes and all that sort of stuff, and a valuable piece of kit. We've got a 7 mil nut driver, got your 5.5 mil, which is really used for your slipper clutches and the top of your shocks and that sort of stuff. This little toolback wrench here has got a 3 mil and 4 mil, I'd say. 3 and 4 mil universal size here, which is really good and handy. And the other end, you've got a ball cup removing tool. And you don't know how cool that is until you've actually used it. So you just slide that under there and just pop your ball cup up. And that does save you getting your plier marks and all the teeth mark onto your nice plastics of your kit. Here we've got a little power adapter. So I've got a power bit here of 2 mil. It's going to be really, really handy. And one of my most favorite tools that they do is these soft jaw pliers. So these are really, really cool, really handy, super neat looking. These are really good for doing your shock shafts, your shock bodies, anything delicate, you know, and they won't mark and gall your anodizing on your parts. So they are really cool, really valuable bit of kit, the soft jaw pliers. Okay, now we're open on the other side. We've got a 2mm ball driver hex, and that's really good for the hard to get screws, droop settings and things that are obscured by, like maybe if your wing's in the way doing the shock tower. Yeah, really handy there. Got a 2.5 mil, which is pretty common size for your motor screws and the shock mounts. So 2.5 mil Allen key. Of course, we've got the perennial favorite, the 2 mil driver, you know, made of 90% of the RC cars. Then we've got a few little feature here, a few little 60 mil tools which are really handy. So we've got a 3.5 mil screwdriver, really good for servos and servo mounts. We've got your 1.5 mil 60 mil pinion driver, and that's really good because it doesn't allow you to have as much flex and actually break the tip. So it's really good that it's a short 60 mil, really good for getting into tight spots. And of course, if you're using super light and certain brands of pinions, you'll need the 50 thou Allen driver. So that's really cool that it's included in the 60 mil kit. So you've got everything you need to get you started and up to speed in your 1/10 off-road racing. So that is the ARROWMAX 12-piece toolkit, the AM-199447, and I'm Brett from Hearns. Thanks for watching.